So I've got another brand new band to the channel. Not brand new to me. I have heard one of their previous songs. Now FYM Reacts did a reaction to these guys, and I did watch that. So I have a roughly sort of idea what they sound like. Now these guys are from the UK, representing. Now this is their new song, Tattooed Scars. This is the official video. So hopefully it's a good fucking track. Now Donna from this band actually got in touch with me through the Facebook group. If you're not in it, make sure you join. The link's in the description. And she asked if I could review the song, react to it. You know I'm not going to say no. Of course I am. If fans reach out for me, of course I'm going to do it. Now I've been informed that Kev from FYM said it was a 10 out of 10. So I'm hoping it's a fucking banger. Now this is Tormenta with Tattooed Scars, the official video, in 3, 2, 1. Full blast as usual. Still hot as fucking here. Oh, I love that fucking symbol, man. So far, so good. I did not expect that chorus. Picked up the fucking bass. Hey, Prometheum sticker. Breakdown alert. You just know it's going to be a fucking breakdown when that shit drops like that. FYM as well, I saw that one. Really powerful lyrics in that, actually. I'll stop it there. So, that was Tormenta with Tattooed Scars. Now, I think they've gone with the winning formula for metalcore, but there's a whole reason why that is a winning formula, because it makes good fucking songs, and I don't blame them for doing that. I think if I were in a band, I'd probably go with that. You can't go fucking wrong with that, especially if you're releasing a single as well. The winning formula, it hooks people, it gets people in. It's usually the verse, chorus, breakdown, couple of choruses to win it, man. I love the whole use of the cymbal all the way through. I'm just going tss, tss, tss. That shit is my guilty pleasure in any song. Now, the breakdown was nice in this. The screams were on point. The chorus almost reminded me of like something straight from the 90s, like late 90s, early 2000s. Like the old metal sort of, like not metalcore, but like just typical sort of style metal sort of chorus. It reminded me of that, so it was nice the fact that they blended them two together. Now, from this to their old song, I honestly think that they've improved a whole lot since then. If you aren't familiar with these guys, make sure you go check them out. I'll leave a link for this song in the description, so make sure you go give them a view, give them a thumbs up. They have honestly progressed. I think like it was like maybe like 6 to 9 months or something ago that they released another song. Now I think this one's a lot better, but there was nothing wrong with the other song. It was just, this is just more my sort of style. But yeah, definitely these guys are coming on to something, and if these guys don't make it in the next few years, I will probably be shocked. The big question, is it beer worthy? Do these guys get a beer of honour? Nah, they've got to do it. Cheers. Cheers.